The upgraded GO2CRAFT automatic mug press features 3 preset modes and a customizable mode, with automatic pressure adjustment and rotation, saving time and offering ease of use suitable for beginners. Mug mode does not rotate. The handle rests against the black limiter to ensure perfect heat transfer while preventing handle breakage. Before transferring designs onto cups, preheat the machine to ensure the temperature reaches the preset value. Avoid dry heating. Placing an empty cup inside during preheating can prolong the machine's lifespan. During the transfer process, the cup pad will not completely close, with a 1-finger gap allowance set. For smaller Oz cups, you can increase the pressure to achieve a tighter seal. The cup pad is compatible with cups of 2.75, 3.39 inches in diameter. It is designed for straight-sided mugs and not suitable for cups with any curvature. In case of ghosting, you can adjust the pressure up to 70, increase the temperature to 375 grader Celsius, or contact us for a cup pad replacement. The gap on the cup pad is a normal feature, allowing it to accommodate cups of various sizes without compromising the transfer quality. Always follow the guidelines provided to ensure optimal performance and longevity of your GO2CRAFT automatic tumbler press.